Wesley, Wesley, where are you? Oh, there you are, Wesley. There you are. Oh, hi, children. Hello, everyone. And welcome to our Friday celebration assembly. We always love having you here. But all week long, Wesley and I have been working on a very special surprise for all of you. He is a fantastic dancer, and he has taught me a new dance that we are going to present right now for you. How exciting is that? Are you ready? Are you ready? Right, here we go. Here is our amazing Christmas dance. What did you think of that? Did you like our dance? It was good, wasn't it? Yeah. Now, I heard that some of the other teachers and TAs in the school and office staff want to learn how to dance like that as well. Yeah. I heard that you're going to be working with them next week. Ooh, that's going to be exciting and fun. But you know what? It's time for us to talk about who got the awards for this week. Yes, so now we're beginning our Going for Gold Awards. Going for Gold. In Leeds class, we have Kobe for now being able to take his coat off independently. In York class, we have Anaya and Archie for brilliant label writing about a birthday party. In Hall class, we have Booba for remembering special friend sounds and actions during Read Write Inc. this week. We also have Lorraine for trying to write her name independently on her worksheets. In Nottingham, we have Jacob B. for his fantastic maths recall of bonds up to 10. We also have Caleb for his perseverance with tricky challenges and not giving up. In Liverpool, we have George C. for beautiful handwriting and Ruby Ann for super progress in reading. In Cardiff class, we have Lacey for careful working out and checking during maths test. We also have Goran for working hard in English to write his Viking saga. In Edinburgh 1, we have Noah for a superb reading effort at home, so much so he has filled up his reading diary. We also have Harry for working really hard on his writing this year. Miss Keenan is seeing a big improvement. In Edinburgh 2, we have Riley for keeping up with his home learning. He's really trying his best and making Miss Lofthouse smile. In Cambridge class, it's all of Year 5 for their good impression on the supply teacher this week. We also have in Cambridge class Jack for his growing confidence in his writing. In Oxford class, we have Corey for reading Roman numerals up to 100. And Leighton for trying hard in lessons. In Lincoln class, we have Ethan for a very settled week and joining in with all activities and trying best with his work. And in Chester class, we have Lucas for always making the right choices and working hard in all of his lessons. Well done to all the children in the school who received the Going for Gold Award. Give them a big round of applause. Now, the Year of Being Brave Awards. In Leeds class, we have for discipline bravery, courage for Jake for trying new ways to build with wooden blocks. In York class, we have Alfie for persevering and learning to fasten his coat. We also have in Hall class Jacob H for working hard all week, even when he has hurt his hand. We also have Leland for accepting that he is only allowed to build one model in class. In Nottingham class, we have Ava May for intellectual bravery when joining a new school and making friends. We also have Rome for moral bravery when sorting incidents out in the classroom. In Liverpool class, we have Oliver for discipline bravery for being a good team player. And Freya for intellectual bravery for always giving 100% in all the lessons. We also have Dylan for discipline bravery in Cardiff class in PE. He's worked really hard and tried different movements. He's really pushed himself. We also have in Cardiff class Ella for intellectual bravery for persevering in the maths lessons. In Edinburgh 1, we have Tyler for always working hard and making good choices and showing disciplined bravery when learning. We also have Daniels when using disciplined bravery to persevere with his writing, trying hard to make it the very best he could. In Edinburgh 2, we have Jacob P. for intellectual bravery for doing lots of reading at home and learning new vocabulary every day. In Cambridge class, we have George for showing disciplined bravery and participating more in class discussions. In Oxford class, we have Sky for empathetic bravery for helping a classmate with her learning. We also have Lacey for empathetic bravery for being a good friend. In Lincoln class, we have Reuben for disciplined bravery. He's remained focused this week and completed some of his work independently. And in Chester class, we have Jake D. for disciplined bravery. He's really worked hard in all of his lessons, completing tasks, some that at first he thought were difficult. Fantastic work to all of our children who have received the Year of Being Brave Award. Let's give them all a big round of applause. Wow, what a fantastic group of children we have. We hope that everyone has a fantastic weekend. And remember to stay safe and keep working hard.